Good morning student. I am your science teacher. My name is Aparna. Today we will go through about the topic climate and adaptation. We are having our running chapter number 7. So pay attention while I am reading and put your fingertips on the first line. Now climate and adaptation. Climate has profound effect on the living organisms. According to the climate, the organism will survive. Animals are adapted to survive in the condition in which they live. Animals living in very cold and hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. Recall your chapter number 9, your grade 6 science book, the definition of adaptation. Adaptation means according to the environment. Features and habits that help the animals to adapt to their surrounding are a result of the process of evolution. In chapter 9, you will learn about the effect of weather and the climate on the soil. Here we will study the effect of climate on the animals only. In grade 6, you have read about the adaptation of certain animals. Now we are talking about that certain animals one by one. Habitat example of the adaptation of the animals to the climatic condition. We discuss only animals living in polar region and tropical rainforest. As the name suggests, the polar region are situated near the poles. You are very well known, North Pole and South Pole. Some well-known countries that belong to the polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska and USA, and Siberian region of Russia. Now example of some countries where the tropical rainfall is found are India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda and Nigeria. These are having typical dense forest. Now activities given over there. Take an outline map of the world, mark the polar region in blue, similarly mark the tropical region in red. You can do this. The polar region present an extreme climate. These regions are covered with the snow and it is very cold for the most part of the year. Okay, they're very much cold. For the 6 months, the sun does not set at the poles, while for the other 6 months, the sun does not rise. Okay, in the winter, temperature can be low as minus 37 degrees Celsius. Animals living there have been adapted to these severe conditions. Let us see how they are adapted by considering the example of polar bears, okay, and the penguins. Polar bear have the white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. It protects them from their predators, enemies, okay. It also helps them in catching their prey to protect them from extreme cold. They have two thick layers of fur, the furs with having a fat inside. They also have a layer of fat under their skin. In fact, they are so well insulated that they have to move slowly and rest often to avoid getting overheated. Okay. Physical activities on the warm day necessitate cooling, so the polar bear goes for swimming. It is a good swimmer. Its paws and the wide and large, which help in not only to swim well but also walk with ease in the snow. While swimming underwater, it can close its nostril and can remain underwater for the long duration. Okay. It is a strong sense of smell so that it can catch its prey for food. We can understand the adaptation of polar bear with the help of the flow chart. Here is a flow chart given over there and it is easily helpful for you. Another well-known animal living in the polar region is the penguin. Penguin is only found there. It is also white and merged well with the white background. It also has a thick skin and a lot of fat to protect it from cold. You may have seen pictures of penguin huddled together. This they do to keep warm. Recall how warm you feel when you are in a hall full of people. Okay, as similar they will. Now this is a chart. It is a predator and the prey are unable to see. The white fur is not easily visible in the snowy white background. It has a very strong smell. Bear to locate, catch its prey. Have a long curved and sharp claws. These are the so many adaptation in the polar bear. It has a layer of fat under its skin. Fat insulates its body to cool and keep it warm. Now, so like polar bear, penguins are also good swimmer. Their bodies are streamlined and their feet have web, making them good swimmer. Other animals in polar regions are fishes, musk, erskine, reindeer, foxes, seal, whales and birds. It is to be noted that why fish can remain under cold water for the long time. Bird must remain warm to survive. They migrate to the warmer region. When winter sets in, they come back after the winter is over. You know probably that India is one of the destination of many birds, flamingo, migratory bird, Pelasian. So many birds are coming to the Bharatpur Ghana sanctuary. You must have seen and about the Siberian crane that come from Siberia to places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and the Sultanpur in Haryana. And so many migratory birds are come to India. wetlands of the northeast and some other parts of India. So in this manner, we have learned about the adaptation of polar bear and the penguin and the adaptation according to the climate. Any query, then you can ask me. Have a good day.